Tima Kumkum. And I'll be able to me am new about Tima Kumkum or a colleague. Me know me and say by now that the news is newsing and the fella is true and it is what you heard and it is true. Tima Kumkum awo afane ho afane ba. Nyame aso me nua no fe baby Jessie e call Jojo and hey Mr. Sandy Pan it me aba akra full name. Ngashe akra ne to ne bedin memne dey twemu na was a beautiful sight to see na ye ngene ekopie mu eko supporting your bosses and as memne da na ne nua ba ebi wan so papa da form sunyane ntie mu chetu ebi ko sunyane na ebi kan kran ekoja Tima Kumkum tia hwese ne ekoye titi na ebi ja me nua ne kwan ye hwese ne ekoye
ye ta wase Tima Kumkum ye ta
on my shoulders that many of my daughters have stood. The mistakes and my faith altar worship unto you. We thank you. We bless you. We exalt your name. We know what you have done. And we thank you for what you have done. We thank you for what we do not even know you have done.
Oh, yes, Lord.
And for what you are about to do, we say, Lord, thank you. We will never, ever take your
Oh, PD. Tima Kumkum ya be fa ye ya fa celebrant no wa fa ade ni ade sa dipa na wa wona ye be man congratulations no kra me hu no ka say producer ka say what just say one year when there was some true shine on here because there I'm talking about Tima Kumkum onu yi ene nyame aso eno na je manamo ntima me hu no mo what you say Tima ye the radiase for your life. We thank God for your boy's life. And I know you'll be a good mother. Congratulations.